Well, here tonight we've got a 2005 Chevy Colorado, big 3.5. It's got a few codes in it for sure, and it's missing, running terrible, but it had a bunch of codes in it before already. I think just the engine was a misfire there, detected there's a problem, because this big bad boy has got just almost broke in. So we're gonna back out of this and look at our misfire counters. I think everything's froze up tonight. There we go. Let's go to data display. Misfire data. Yeah, it looks like we got one there with that one down there. It says history. See what we got going on. That's okay. That's, they're doing misfires and the history. So they're right in the, it's past that. What cylinder is that? Number 3. 3 is real bad. I'm not sure if that's, yeah, we're gonna call it number 3 with the big 16,289 misfires. We're gonna brake torque it just a little bit and see what it does. Yep, number 3 looks pretty terrible. Yep. We're gonna have to get out under the hood here, do a little bit of checking. It'll take a little while to get snow off of it. Yep, that's it for now.